All right, can you guys see me now? All right, good. Yeah, no, much faster. I'm lucky though that my computer restarts up in 30 seconds. Right on. So I think Taquito asked on hardwire. I'm in my house here has no place to hardwire in except like a room that's on the other end of the house, and we've tried hardwiring it in, and it didn't do anything to make it faster. My wife's tried to do that because again she's a YouTuber, and it didn't do anything. So very very unfortunate. Again, I've tried calling the internet provider numerous times. Like, nope, you have the fastest speed. I even look at like my Google mesh thing I have, and it's like you got blazing speed. I don't know. Okay, where are we at on things? Let me get back in it here. No, but again, we've tried plugging in hard plug-in, and it hasn't made a difference. My wife's room is right next to it. So my let's see, I can do this right here. 3 points, internet speed. Download is 654 and upload is 756. Is that fast? So mine is fast, then, is what you're saying. Yeah, 654 Mbps download and 756 Mbps upload. Ooh, look at Disney fell below the orange line. Look at that, though, that bounce off there. I mean, again, it's hit it. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Hey, that is a quadruple top there, Taquito. I don't want to hear it. Gosh dang, look at that upper shadow on the 1 hour. Holy Jesus. You guys, I took 500 short here on Disney. We fell below the orange line here, finally. Finally. I'm going to put my stop loss on this back up at 96.49. I got a terrible entry. What did I do? I rushed into that. Look at that. Look at that upper shadow on Disney. I've been waiting to play Disney for forever here. Like, I'm going to go another 500. Again, my stop loss on this is going to be 96.50. Ba-da-do-do-do. Huge rejection off that white line. I've got, I want to give it that much, but 54. Let's do join the bid, edit, 96.54 stop limit. So I just put a stop limit in on Disney, you guys, so I can stay true to this. Thing finally fell below this orange line, which again I know is a strong resistance support, and we just had a huge upper shadow here. But unfortunately, I rushed into my very first entry, so that was not smart. I should have waited for this retouch of 35, and I entered in at 25. So again, guys, I'm in 1,000 shares short on Disney right now. Hard stop loss 96.54. So I'm giving this a $200 risk. And again, on this orange line, I mean, we could see this thing come down to $96, maybe even a little bit lower than that. So I've got a 2-to-1 risk reward. I'm averaged in here at 96.35. Man, Guru is nailing NVDA. I've been waiting to trade Disney now for 3 days. Why are you EDU guesstimating your interest? Who, me? Question for later. Why are you estimating your interest? What's that mean? So I know for me, though, right here on Disney, if you're talking to me on this one, too, stupid. I market ordered in right here because I FOMO'd. I FOMO'd in on this one because I've been watching Disney for 3 days, and I thought this drop below the orange line, I thought this thing was going to run without me, so I FOMO'd in here. But why are you entering blindly? Yep, I think I just answered that question for you. This drop below this orange line, and so instead of waiting for the retest, honestly, I FOMO'd into this thing. Instead of waiting for this retest here back at the orange line. Yep, no, you're right, 100%. I FOMO'd into that. I'm just hoping, I think I have a good hard stop loss here at this 56, because we got 53 here. Here we've got, I mean, these bodies, 55 there. I was really hoping that this orange line was going to hold up as resistance here. So overall, terrible trade right now. And I'm going to get stopped out here now. Now the thing is, we're gonna bounce off this orange line, watch this, and go up. So I just lost $215 on that. I was trading Disney because I've been watching Disney for a few days. And this isn't like a chart that I just jumped to. I've been watching this, but what I failed on this one is that I should have waited for this orange line retest. That's why I averaged in. I knew I could trade 1,000 shares, so I averaged in on this, but my first entry was terrible on this. Now that it's bounced off this orange line, watch, this thing could bounce all the way back up here, but I thought because it dropped below this orange line that we were finally going to be dropping below. I scalped yesterday. Gotcha. Yeah, you're right. I did do good on the scalp yesterday. You're 100% correct. 100% correct. Read what I wrote. It'll prevent exactly what happened now. I'm over $300 a day heading out. I've overtraded the past several days. As a confirmation lever, wouldn't you prefer to see a reaction then enter, not as a good price but higher probably? If I think I'm answering your question right, my confirmation was this 5-minute. Oh my gosh, and I'm on a. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. When my chart closed down, apparently it changed from a 3-minute to a 5-minute. And so my 5-minute is actually a hammer on this, which would tell me to go long instead of short. I was on a 3-minute. I am livid right now. I thought that was on a 5-minute chart. That tells me long. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dang it. That pisses me off because I thought I was on a 5-minute. Oh, part of me just wants to frick. Oh my gosh, that infuriates me right now. Now I should have gone long. That would have been an easy long trade. Again, I've been watching Disney for forever. That sucks. Oh. Why did that chart on a 3-minute? Well, that was a costly mistake. That was a costly mistake. Here's the only thing else I'll say is, man, that was such a large shooting star. Look at this thing go now off that orange line. Fuck. That pisses me off. All right, I'm backing away from that. That is infuriating. That tells you, though, like the confirmation candles for me. Look at the difference between just a 3-minute and a 5-minute, what you see. I got a hammer candle off of that level versus on the 3-minute, I thought I had closed below it. You know what I mean? So that's very, very upsetting. And okay, NVDA off that purple line there. Did good scalping yesterday. Let's see if I can scalp NVDA here off this purple line. See if we can get this off this purple line here. $34. We're going to add up here, Guru. We're going to add up here on some quick scalps. See if we can earn this $200 back. You were 5 for 5, man. You're killing it. I will do 2 more trades. What did you say? And I sold early. You said, please, Mamba. What'd I do? Oh, scalp? Is that what you're saying? You're saying, please scalp? Yes, yeah. Scalp. So on this, we broke everything. We could come back down to 621 here. The only thing, my 30-minute tells me to hold this short. Because my 30-minute candle closed below all these bodies. This is the retest level at purple. It tells me to hold this short all the way back down to 617, the 618 area here. That's what my 30-minute candle tells me. Okay, quick scalp here on NVDA. Let's see if we can blow through this purple line. Come on. Whopping $10. Whopping $10. Let's go. I gotta get more than that though. Yeah, that's why I was concerned with that purple line. Come on. I'm wondering back on Disney if we're going to get a retouch back of that orange line. Is everything kind of falling again? How's the SPY, Amazon, Apple? How are some of these stocks looking right now? Ooh, I got a terrible entry there. I just went long on NVDA again. Got a terrible entry there. Come on. I really want this thing to blow through this purple line. Yeah, I got a really, really bad entry. That's where market ordering in and out. Come on. Like, can I even? Get back up there. I think we're going to get up past this purple line. Come on. Come on, quick. We're going. I know this. We're going. We're going past this purple line. Feel it. Come on. Get up there. See how I take my quick profits, but then on my losses, I'm not? I'm on purple line. Let's go. Blow through it. If we blow through this, we could go dollars. I can tell right now I'm gambling, huh? Get up there. I'm long right now on NVDA. See, like, look at all my scalps. I was doing those in like what 5 seconds, and now here I am holding NVDA. Nine EMA needs to hold up, or else I got to get out. Where's my lower time frame here? See, instead of just playing the purple line for a short, that was me guessing that we were going to go long and hoping and gambling that we were going to go blow through it. You know what I mean? I'm hoping right now that this level right here, but again, it was a stupid entry, and this is me gambling again. So I'm doing terrible. After this trade, I just need to chill. I was gambling on these quick little scalps, and now I'm like caught up in this. You know what I mean? And then not only that, I went more shares than I normally do, and I'm in 150 shares again. This is exactly what I did on NVDA yesterday, where I lost $300. You know, Let's put hard stop at 620.28. All right, I've got a hard stop. Going versus 2 resistance line. Yeah, no, you're right. I'm gambling right now. I'm being stupid. This is a hard resistance line, and why I went long on this is absolutely asinine. This is where it's like, okay, I'm not trusting my levels, and I'm gambling. I just start gambling versus trading my strategy. It's absolutely asinine. I'm hoping right now that this level holds up. I've got a hard stop loss here now, so I don't get emotional. I'm not sticking. You know, doesn't help that QQQ is dumping right now too. Yeah, again, I just think a part of me is just hoping we blow through this 621. And again, I was gambling. What I should have done, I should have got out more of my shares here. Where's my 5 minute? Okay, that's a good lower shadow there. Come on, keep pushing. I got out 50 of my shares, so I only have 100 now. Now I've only got 100 shares. I reduced my risk. Wait, did I? Wait, what the heck just happened? Wait, what? I thought I got out 50. Oh my gosh, I hit sell market. Well, that sucks. I was up here. Oh. Yeah, no, I'm with you. I hope this breaks the purple line too. Totally gambling. And even I'm going against my strategy here because I had this strong red candle, right, which closed back below these bodies. Purple line is short level back on down to the downside. So I'm completely going against my strategy. I'm completely gambling. Yep. And you know why I'm doing this too is because I took that huge loss on Disney, and now my mindset is that I want to make it up. Exactly what's happening right now. Why is this not? Oh, it's because my stop. That's why. Like, why is this not letting me sell? Oh my gosh, it's because my stop loss, so it's not letting me get out the 50 shares that I was hoping to. Yep, I was trying to get out 50 shares again back here because I had this stop loss in here, it wouldn't let me. So that's a tough thing about having a hard stop. Then I couldn't get out where I wanted. I was actually back in the green. So my mental stop, I mean, I have to press flat out if I get down here. Yep, 100%. Yep. Come on. Okay, I got rid of 50, you guys. So I'm back to 100. And now I'm just going to flatten out. I got out of that. I got lucky getting out of that trade. Okay, I'm sitting on my hands for a second, you guys. I got absolutely lucky. Okay. Starting fresh. Starting fresh. See, it's interesting. I'll jump in on those trades, no hesitation, but yet when I see my setup, I don't jump in. Watch this thing blow through the purple line. Now, but I say that, but it doesn't matter. That wasn't my strategy. I needed to get the heck out of there. Here's the thing about paper trading, though, Taquito. I've done it numerous times. It doesn't do anything for me. Like, I trade willy-nilly on that. You can Guru on Thinkorswim. You can trade live. I would need to log out of this, and then I can go to a paper trade account. Well, I can do the same thing. Taquito, what do you trade on? There's a paper account which is on live market, just the same. IB Interactive Brokers. I haven't heard it like that, but I'm assuming you're on Interactive Brokers. Hey, just curious, do you guys like seeing my background more, or did you like it when I had more of the green screen, or does it? You guys even give a damn? Okay, I'm just confirming I'm on a frickin' 5-minute time frame here now. But you should paper account just. Thing is, I can't create my emotions with the paper trading account. That's my problem. Like, even here in real trading, I'm like, okay, you know, just think about it as a paper trading account, you know, but I can't create the exact same emotions. Yeah, I agree. Like, I don't go wild per se. I'll trade my strategy, but the problem is I don't have those same emotions. I mean, yes, the thing is, I just need to stay disciplined at trading my technique, my strategy. And I mean, clearly there again, I wasn't. I was like, okay, I'm going to go scout mode, you know? And so I went scout mode on NVDA, right? Again, watch this thing blow through. How about this? If this thing blows through on NVDA, then I can come for the retest of the purple line for the continuation. That would meet my strategy. You actually see here, we broke this candle right here on the 5-minute. Look where we retested. We retested this level of this candle right here. That should have been my entry long right here. And then sell up here at the purple line. That should have been my entry because of this candle. That would have followed my strategy. Just like in practicing jumping in front of you and trying to block you. Still put your technique in habit. Yeah, there's that. I'm gonna stay here on NVDA. I'm gonna see if we can. I'm actually gonna go entry long here at 622.39. 39. See if we can get a retest of this level. Where the thumb do 50. Because again, we broke the purple line, so that's trading my strategy. Maybe I went a little too low. This 69 would have been it. Look at that. So 69, the purple line would have been it. I was too late. There we go. See, now that's my strategy. We got the break of this purple line. Fortunately, I got yet again a little greedy on this. I should have come more up here. Right, I try to get too perfect of an entry. That purple line is where I should have entered. I'm still going to wait because this thing can still come down. I'm not going to blitz into this right now. There we go. See, this is my strategy here. I needed to enter this faster. How do I enter that faster? Because I needed to scroll down here on the active trader. Maybe this? I don't need as much of that level 2 because I don't really read the level 2 that much. If at all, frankly, I just read candles. That's what I should have done. I need to have this more open to where I can, because instead of scrolling, you know. So hotkeys, though, how do I set a hotkey for a limit order? I don't want to see something. Can I go? Like, can I hit here and go like buy? Oh, look at that. So I can hit buy right there, just clicking right on my mouse. Okay, that's good. So you guys see that? I can just right click where I want on this chart and hit buy. Look at that, see? Look at that. That's better. See, that's a trade I need to just jump in and take. And again, part of that, this was all the break of this purple line. But what I was trying to do before was I was gambling. Now, if the same break here retested this level, if I just would have been in here at 620.57, you know, I start getting wild with my emotions when I'm just jumping in trades. But that right here would have been a good entry. Right here would have been a good entry, and I missed that entry. So what am I down on the day? So I'm down $153 now. You know what I need to probably do too is just stop looking at my P&L. Completely stop looking at my P&L. That way I'm not focused on money. I could just be focused on the trade. So AMD, again, we got this red candle, but look at it closed right at the level of all these candles. So I'm uncertain which that one's going. I have the two I have never used, but what I can see. DAX 15 keys. So you use that to hotkey in on trades? But you can enter trades with it? Look at this NVDA. Look at that purple to purple. Look at $2 move. Interesting. Look at that $2 move though from that purple line. That's why see, John, you're entering all the other trades, but you didn't enter that one. I've been market ordering into all these other trades, but I didn't order into that one. You know, my whole trading is backwards. Bank of America. I'm looking at Bank of America just because this is part of my 5200 strat, which I haven't seen any setups with that recently. I'll set an alert to the downside. That's an overkill. I mean, it's just easier to press Control Shift X or whatever you find your hotkey. Tesla falling below previous day close. Okay. All right, Finster. Thanks, buddy. See where we're at. Oh, look at that. And you see on the 1 hour on Tesla, man, look at all those drops. So we just closed on this 35 on the 30-minute candle right here. Tesla's just beating to its own drum. Is that the saying? Oh, to you? You have Tesla for the long term? Oh my gosh, how much are you down on that right now, dude? How much are you down on that right now? So right here, you guys, though, on Tesla, you can see we dropped right here. Okay, so we're essentially there. Oh my goodness gracious. How many shares or how many contracts? Yeah, I mean Tesla at some point should pop back up, so I'm with you. 200 shares. Guru, do you mind me asking? I don't know if you've told me this before. What size of account are you trading with? And how long have you been trading for? You have 5 accounts? You have 5 different accounts. Oh, wow. So how do you choose? I guess you have like a long-term one. You have one that you day trade with. Look at Disney. All because of this. I stopped paying attention to it. I should have here back at this orange line. You see how this orange line holds up, you guys? Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at Disney off that orange line again. Where's Tesla? Tesla's still falling. So on Tesla here, if we wanted to short this, I'd be looking for a retest back at, and that's where I don't want to get greedy, but I'll say 100 shares right here. So if I go sell, ooh, that's nice. That's nice, you guys. And then I can go another right here at sell. Okay, that's awesome. Oh, right on. That's something new I just learned. Just right click, hit sell or buy. Okay, that's cool. So we're closing below this level. So let's see if we can get a retest here on Tesla. Where's Tesla got room to go? I mean, you got previous day low is 185.87. And NVDA, look at this, hit the purple line, right back down to this purple line. See if we get this retest on Tesla. Not looking like it right now, but I'm going to stay patient. What happens is I say, oh, we're not getting there, and then I'll cancel the order, and then it does pop back up. Kind of like on Disney, you know, yeah, I took my loss on Disney, but if I would have been more patient, you know, I sold it here and just waited for it to get back to this orange line, you know, I would have entered the same 1,000 shares. I would have been, you know, I would have made up all those losses there, you know. I mean, the 1 hour on Tesla's all massive red. Red, 187.27. All right, look at it go. Okay, so watch for this blue line to hold up. Part of me now that just wants to go long at this blue line. Okay, now let's cancel. I'm going to go 100 shares here. Buy. I'm just going to trust these levels. Doing 100. See if we can get a bounce off this blue line. What I should have done is I should have set brackets. So like here, I should, I was gonna say do a hard stop loss there. Trying to see if we get a bounce off this previous low. I know we keep talking about Tesla. I'm trying to see if we can get a bounce off this previous day low. What I need to have in here is a stop at what, 70? 185.70. So there, I've got a hard stop in on this. Yeah, but Tesla's not really following the frickin' SPY. Tesla's just going to its own frickin' thing. But I have a hard stop loss in here. That makes me feel better. I'm only giving this thing like 16 cents. But I want to see if we can get this bounce off this previous day low and just kind of start practicing, you know, trusting these levels, you know? I'd be giving up $16 here. Yeah, again, just going to try it. Again, it's only 100 shares. See if we can get a pop back up to 186.76 here. So that'd be about $1 move if we can get it. So I guess what I need to do, practicing this hard stop, is I got to cancel all and then flatten. Pulling Microsoft up on another chart. But what shelf do you have? 405 Finster? Okay, so I just got filled short, or I just got filled. $16 I gave up there. Now the thing is, if we crack below this previous day low, could we short this? No. Yeah, I see it. I just went short Tesla because we dropped below previous day low, you guys. We dropped below previous day low, so I'm hoping we can get a dump here. Close below it on a 5-minute. I just averaged into this. I'm going to give this thing to 186.23. So 400. Go buy the ask. Edit. I'm trying hard stop losses. 6.43. Right, did I do that right? Oh wait, I want 26. 26. That too. All right, I've got a hard stop loss here on Tesla. So again, if I want to get out of this, I need to hit cancel all and then flatten. Come on. I want to be patient on some of this profit taking, man. I really do. Stay below. Yeah, I was just up, what, like $70 or so? Well, again, we closed below previous day low, so that is part of my strategy. If we close below previous day low, then we get a retest of previous day low for the continuation of the downside. So that's why I'm short here. But I've got my hard stop loss in to kind of help me be disciplined. Come on, drop. Drop like a rock, Tesla. We've got 2 minutes on the close of this candle. So the 3 minute and the 5 minute both closed below that low. I hear if you blow on the screen, it'll drop. Oh. Come on, Finster says if I blow on you. I know when I get blown on, I fall too. I shouldn't say that on YouTube. Sorry, that's not a good appropriate joke. Come on. Stick to the plan. 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 Oh, I see Microsoft. Oh man, I see Microsoft too. Nice. It's getting below that 405. Oh man, look at it. Look at it. Can everything just dump right now? That'd be awesome. It'd be awesome if everything can just dump right now. And Tesla's trying hard to hold up, but it's still closing below. We've got about 30 seconds. Come on, Tesla. There we go. I just bought back 200. I covered 200. I'm still holding 200, you guys. Still holding 200 on Tesla. Where's my... So let's go back here. I'm just going to put my 185.90. $185.90, 200 stop limit. So now that's back at my entry. So now I can kind of give Tesla some room. So at least I profited on my 200 and I've got my other 200 back at my entry. So no matter what, I'm coming away from this trade green. So trying something here. And again, this was because, again, we broke the previous day low. We retested previous day low, and now we're getting this continuation on the drop. There we go, you guys. That followed my strategy. There we go. Come on. Just flatten. Gosh dang it. All right, I flattened out on that. Made $150, you guys. That's a better one. That's a better one. Oh, Microsoft. Finster, you didn't pull the trigger on Microsoft? All right, you guys. I'm back. I'm broke even. I'm down $4 on the day. I'm break even. That was a much better trade. So here's Disney again. Because again, I'm very familiar with Disney. I'm watching this on a 5 minute now. So here's the other thing on Disney. See, again, we got this huge upper shadow. Guess where we came to? Back to these candles here at 60, and now we've fallen. I am freaking bearish on Disney, but I can't go short on Disney when we're at this orange line right here. That would just be stupid. But again, I'm back to Disney because I've been studying Disney's chart for 4 days now, you know. Man, the volume is just hot garbage. I don't like the... Oh, look at Tesla, still going, still rolling. Where did I get filled on that cover? I got filled at 185.21. Okay, we're right there. That was a good trade. I like how so I guess the good thing is the trade. I like how I scaled in. So I didn't miss it. I scaled in 200 a piece, and then I scaled out 200 a piece. So when I scaled out, I took my profits, and then I put my 200 stop limit back at my entry. So that was a solid trade. I'm happy with that. That was much better following the strategy. That makes me feel better. Oh wow, man, time flies. We're already at 53. So we're watching for these 1 hour candles now. Look at Tesla's even going to drop below on this 1 hour candle. Holy crap. Taquito, are you trading real money today? AMD, sorry, look at this, you guys. 1 hour. Red candle dropped below all these bodies. We came back and retested this level right here. And then continue to get the drop. SPY is dumping right now. Part of me just wants to take a quick scalp on this. Yeah, everything looks like everything's kind of just dropping really fast here. SPY just hit a support area though at 484.79 is the line I have on here. Wow, did Tesla just dump? Of course it did. Of course it did. I was in 400 shares on that. Of course it did. So let me ask you guys that. Would you have held or would you have taken profits like I did? And NVDA, thing is everything is dropping so fast, but this is the support on NVDA. So wait, go back to Tesla. You would have held to the trend line at the bottom. What trend line at the bottom? Oh, right here. You're talking about right there? Okay, yeah, we keep talking about that having reasons. You know, and that's where I'm just taking profits because I see profits. So you're right, Taquito. I need to stop worrying about, let's take this off. I need to stop worrying about the profits. Customize. Yeah, here. Customize. Let's take that off. So I'm not letting what I'm up dictate my trades, right? Yeah, see, I didn't have that trend line in there, but I see what you're looking at now on it. Because NVDA is right at a support level I have as well. I want to see if we can get a quick... Okay, there we go. I just did a quick scalp on NVDA. Down here, back up to this red line. Quick little scalp. Paid $40 on it. Because SPY has a support level right here. So I figured we could get just a quick entry there to there. So I had a very specific reason on why I did that one. We're 4 minutes from these closes on the 1 hour. Okay, you guys look at Disney did drop below that line. So on the 5 minute, we finally got a close below that line. So here's what I want to do. I want to scale in at 27 here. and then I want to scale in another 500 at 35 on Disney. Okay, because this thing could go now. Finally got to close below the orange frickin' line, but that's what I was saying. I was like, oh my gosh, I think this is gonna break, but there's no way I should have gone short at that orange line. You know what I mean? Let's cancel that one. Let's not go crazy. And then on this on the 1 hours, look at the 1 hours. I said we close below those bodies. We close below. We're closing below. This was the retest right here. Yeah, I should have trusted that level on Disney right here and shorted at 96.63. That's what I should have done. My win rate seems to be 100% LOL lately. That's awesome. Great job for you. See, here's the other thing. I market ordered in on this last trade, but I didn't market order in here because I wanted to get the retest. You know what I mean? But you guys, this is where I didn't pay attention. Remember, I made the first trade on Disney because this big upper shadow? Well, part of me entering was because, again, I thought we broke it on the 3 minute. That's why I jumped in. We broke this orange and I had this upper shadow. But what I should have done is, again, right here, all these bodies, this body right here, I should have jumped in this zone right here where you had a whole bunch of wicks for the short, because then that would have followed my 1 hour candlestick trade confirmation. So Tesla, man, Tesla's still dropping. Wow. Where did I get out on Tesla? 185.21. Look at that. So my first 200 I got out at 185.50 and then 185.21. So my average on that is about 185.30. I had 400 shares. So I'd be up another $400 right now had I been holding. And that's Taquito's part. He's like, you had no reason to get out. You know, and he's right. I'm too anxious to take my profits. That's something I was talking about this morning, and that's what I talked about in my January recap, is being too quick to take those profits. But I think we all struggle with, where's the balance of taking profits too soon while not being greedy? I've got to find. I just entered that one without actually having a full game plan on where my profit target and stuff was going to be, you know. Yeah, I should have taken time to actually put a strong game plan together there. Man, look at everything dumping. I mean, SPY's just blowing through. Did something happen? Why is the SPY blowing through everything? What happened? So Apple's back at this strong support line in VWAP. Tough to jump in though when everything is tanking. Oh my gosh, Finster, we were talking about the break of 405. Holy crap. Hey you guys, this is the same line of support that that JTrades was talking about earlier today. That exact same line that he was talking about right here. You shorted NVDA? Well, here's the thing. SPY is right. And man, I almost went long because SPY is at that trend line that JTrades was talking about this morning. We're right at that white line. We're literally bouncing off it as we. I would be shocked if JTrades didn't just trade this line. Hold on, I'm going to jump over to his. I'm asking him if he bought that. Yeah, I'm interested if he took that. So everything is now getting a bounce off that as well. See, look at everything just hit those levels and are bouncing off now. Oof. Meta coming back up to this purple line after that big drop. What are the 1 hours that did I miss? I missed the 1 hour candles. Could Tesla come back up? Pause that. I should control my patience. I look again. I covered NV quick and Middle East stuff also related. Iran and friends heating up. Interesting. Well, it is getting that bounce off that white line. This is, I've got 185.10 as a level of resistance here, right here. On Tesla, looks like we hit it already. And that's because of these candles right here, the bodies. 185.10 right there, those bodies. See, this is where sometimes I'm too slow. Let's stick here on Tesla. The other one we could go up to 29. NVDA still falling. I'm telling myself, don't guess, John. Don't guess. Don't guess. Because I see like NVDA falling and I'm having that FOMO feeling of, gosh dang it, I would have jumped in this thing short. Holy crap. And you can see NVDA too. Look at where we started that drop off this purple line. Oh my God, look, we got a huge shooting star on the 3 minute though. Jeez. Wow. Again, I trade the 5 minute normal. Wow. Look at that from the purple line though. We're all the way down here. Are we going to get a bounce at some point, for goodness sake? Purple line? Get a bounce off the purple line? I'm going to go 100 at this 50. If we get it, 617, 617.62. Get a quick buy. Here's what I should do, actually. Let's do... I do brackets here. Wait, I need... I didn't even have that on there. That... Dude, I don't even have that on there. Look at right here. Touch this body. Microsoft's still falling. I see it. It's on another chart that I have. I was interested to buy NVDA here if we got to this purple line. And SPY, you guys, hold on, go over SPY. Look at SPY, just hit this white line. Look at my 30 minute. Just hit this white line and we're getting this bounce. Same thing, 5 minute. Look at this. Hit white line, getting the bounce. I'm doing a quick, see if I can get a quick scalp here on NVDA at this red line, get a quick bounce to the downside. Won't let this thing go over 620. So what I see, I mean, this thing 42. Oh man, see, I was hoping we get this bounce off 1644 here. Still get it. Come on. I'm shorting this, right? Come on, fall. And the spread on NVDA. Come on. Get down there. So again, I shorted NVIDIA at this red line because again, all these drops. Hoping SPY is going to bounce to the downside here too. Not in love with this anymore. It didn't make the quick move that I was hoping for. I'm just getting out of that. Okay, I essentially broke even. I didn't like it anymore. It wasn't quite getting that that dump like I was hoping. And literally, as soon as I get out, watch it's going to. I wasn't in love with. I was hoping again with this huge dump. I was looking for this retest. Yeah, look at now. It's going to get the dump right after that. Look at that. I was hoping for that retest. It wasn't moving as quick as I liked on that one, so got out. What I need to do is on the break of this level right here, but even I've got this purple line here as well. Yeah, see, and that's what I thought too. Look at the SPY. SPY got a rejection off the 484.44, which was a past support. Good exit on that one, shorting right at the support level on the day though. Yeah, I just again sometimes that's what I'm telling myself. I just got to cut bait on a trade. If I'm not loving it anymore, just get out. Even if I take a $5, $10, $20, it's a lot better than it going against me and taking $100 or $200. You know. Let's see, SPY, it got rejected right here, but man, that bounce off that white line. But SPY just doesn't move that fast, you know? I mean, 20 frickin' cents versus NVDA that moves dollars. Or these other trades that move dollars. Wow, yeah, everything dumped. That, Oh, a SPY getting that bounce off that white line, we could see a lot of stocks, you know, going to the long side now. I should have just reversed on NVDA and went long. But okay, John, get back. Find your strategy. Hold on, you guys. We're gonna just boost up. Okay. Trade your strategy. Trade your strategy. Stop trying to guess the market. Trading only a plus setup strategy. Okay. Have a little mantra there, you know. Little mantra there. Disney. Coin. See, look at coin bounce off that line. I can't short coin. Yeah, so like, oh man, I didn't have anything 1 hour, right? Other than Tesla. AMD, you guys, right here. you would need to break this level here on the 5-minute candle close. Below that, let's retest this level for a continuation. So let's stay right here on AMD. You can see AMD is like in this giant change right here from 168.71 to 160.24. So instead of trying to just grab it off this bounce, let's wait for a candle close below this, and then we'll short it with with the retest back here at 160.24. Okay, I was at 1 cent to be stop on Tesla, make quick 6 cents. Oh, you didn't get filled because of 1 cent? Is that what you're saying? Hate when that happens. I had that happen to me on Coin. On Coin, were you guys with me the other day? Hey, you guys, SPY is dumping below that white line. Whoa, what did I just do? Okay, I put my brackets in. You guys, SPY is dumping, so I just jumped in here. SPY is dumping, so I just jumped in here on AMD. Just jumped in on AMD. I only did 100 shares, though. SPY gonna break this. Oh, man, that was stupid. That was stupid. I don't know. SPY is... Oh, let's see here. SPY is dumping. So look at that, though. My brackets put in instantly. That's kind of cool. Because I have this template here for a 2-to-1 ratio. So that's kind of cool that just happened. Which is right at this resistance. See, look at, I literally just said trade your strategy, wait till it breaks this, but then I saw the SPY dumping and then I just jumped in on this. Not being disciplined. It's 0.67 of SPY. Okay. I've got these brackets in here. I'll let it stick to it. But yeah, that was a stupid trade because I purely based that off emotion of what the SPY was doing. I'm just gonna let that one work. I've got brackets in there. This is what I was saying though at 185.10. I said 185.10, this red candle is this 1 hour candle, and I said 185.10 because of this body right here, body, and wick. Okay, so I just got stopped out of my AMD trade, you guys, right there. That was a stupid trade. I literally just said follow your trade alerts and strategy, and I didn't do it. I did that completely based off the SPY. I literally just saw it dumping. I was like, oh man, it's going. And I jumped in. So stupid. And SPY is now continuing to get a bounce off that white line. Look at everything just made a huge reverse. Everything just went to the upside now. Look at NVDA. Look at NVDA off those bodies there. Okay, John, settle down. Find a trade that meets your strategy. Give myself an F today. I'm failing. See, like I come in today like all amped up. I'm like, okay, this is a new month. I'm ready to trade today. I'm gonna do it. And then now I'm just jumping left and right into trade after trade after trade. And now I'm over trading. I like this on Microsoft though. Kind of like Doji-ish candle here. I recommend that you'll step off for a bit while you're hunting for trade. I know, I am, Taquito. No, I am. Yep, I am. 100%. 100% I am. All right. Taquito is 100% correct. How's everyone doing? Let's just BS for a second. How's everyone doing? Taquito, you're a sports person? Follow sports? I'm not going to force a trade, but NVDA, if we crack below this purple line in these bodies, that is. I do sports, not watch or follow. What do you, I guess, oh, you do sports. What do you play? Look at NVDA again, though, you guys. Bounce right off that purple frickin' line. Look at how fast it dumped, though. I mean, that was in seconds. It dumped to that purple line and bounced. Okay. Dude, I'm a huge basketball player. It's funny. I'm only 6 feet tall, but I play more power forward / center. I only play in the paint. I don't shoot outside. My home is right there in the painted area. About the only move that I really have, well, and you know, I'm really good at like fast break driving to the hole, but again, that's shooting within the paint. My only real move that I absolutely love is on the left block. I have a very good move where I do a fadeaway bank shot, and I kid you not, I can make that 9 times out of 10. Like, I play basketball every Monday and Wednesday now. Oh, every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday morning at a place we have here. And there's literally 40 people, and we have 10-minute games, and just the winner stays on, and then you just keep rotating. And it's so awesome. Great group of people. But again, about 40 people, so it gets pretty packed. And it's just, you sign up on a sheet, so you kind of get mixed up with a bunch of different people. And it's been great getting some cardio and playing basketball again. I gotta, knock on wood, I gotta be careful though and not force things, because I ruptured my Achilles, I think it's about 8 years ago now. I'm very freaking injury prone. And so part of me is like my dad tells me, he's like, why are you playing basketball? I'm like, man, I'm not gonna go live in a bubble the rest of my life. You know, I need to go get some exercise and cardio and stuff, and I love basketball. So, you know, I'm gonna go play. Watch Disney. If Disney cracks this 9604, I'm gonna put an alert there. Look at Tesla. It got a bounce off of that. See, I'm glad I didn't go chase that. But this could come back up to this blue line. All right, guys. A legit trade, okay? Legit trade here. Without me forcing it. What's the low of this candle? 186.31, okay? I'm going to put a short order at 186.31. I'm going to do 100 shares, and then I'm going to do another 100 shares at the low here at 185.89. Okay, I'm going to talk out my whole game plan here, so I'm not just jumping into this, okay? So what did I say? Let's move one right here. Low of that candle to 31. So we're going to make this 28, okay? So that's going to be an entry for a short right there. And then the other entry for a short is going to be back to the previous low, okay? So I'm going to go 100 shares and 100 shares. That'll average me out to about 186, and it's 200 shares, so I'm going to go 186.50 above this wick. Even Dex said it's being very forceful. No reason to do that, as there will better opportunity. Yeah, he's right. Taquito said it. I'm just forcing trade left at, over and over and over again. I'm just forcing a whole bunch of trades. SPY, man. SPY got that bounce right off. I mean, this is what J Trades was talking about this morning. Look at that white line. Hit it once, and this is where I thought it was cracking because it did such a huge lower shadow here. I thought this was cracking. And look at that. Held up again. So this hit 380, 383, and we're back up 60 cents on the SPY right here. And everything got the reversal off that as well. We're gonna find one more really, really good trade, you guys. I promise you, one trade. That's it. One more trade, and then my ass is getting off here the rest of the day. I'm literally shutting down my broker. So I don't do what I did yesterday. Let's find one really good trade. So Disney just hit my alert. You guys, look at this. Disney, what did I say? Drop below the orange line. I would have liked to have a retest back of the orange line. Now we're breaking this red line. We're too close to these other supports at 96. See, I just went wrong. Like, huge upper shadow on the 1 hour. I needed to wait for a retest back here at 96.60. Had I had done that, we'd be banking right now. What happened yesterday? I was a moron is what happened yesterday. An absolute utter moron. I was up $200. I said I was done trading for the day, and then, well, I came back. I literally sat here in the afternoon and said to you guys, don't force a trade, don't trade, don't trade, don't trade. And then I traded NVDA, lost $300. And then I wanted to make it up, and I made another trade, and I lost a whole bunch of money. And then, yeah, it turned ugly real fast. I've been forcing trades. Been forcing trades. Hold on, do I have Tesla? I want to alert on Tesla back above here. It's on. You guys see just one more good trade. Apple's in this, look at the 1 hour. Apple's just in this channel right here on the 1 hour. Outside of this big dip first thing in the morning. Getting some lower highs here. But again, no forcing. NVDA is just bouncing all over the place. All over. How's Microsoft looking? Oh, look at Microsoft did get the bounce off. We talked about this candle right here. We did get the bounce off that. Now coming up to the 9 EMA. Google, let's see. Okay, let's see if we can get the break of this line here on Google, you guys. Let's wait for this red line crack. $143. Guru, so are you 5 for 5 on the day? Or you said 5 trades was the max that you're taking? And look at Google. Touch down, touch down, touch down. I mean, if it stays here, this could be a good bounce area. This 143 could be a good bounce area for Google. For those of you that trade bounces, I'm going to wait for this break. Hey, look at we're getting that bounce right off that 143. I mean, look at how many times we've got it. 1, 2, 3, fourth time. I need to figure out music for my stream, because every time I try to do music, though, YouTube gives me like a copyright warning, and so I don't want to have a copyright warning, obviously, for my streams. I don't want that. I know my wife was like yelling at me. She's like, "You can't have that on there. You'll get kicked off YouTube." Break of this line, you guys, here. Break of this red line. You can see it held up here. Okay, so that's why we want this red line. I know if we broke this body, that's something, but this line right here, 142.90. Then we'll get a retest at 143, continue to the downside. That's my game plan right now for Google, okay? That's my Google game plan. NVDA, no, it's not. I was going to say NVDA kind of looks like some weirdish head and shoulders type thing on a 5-minute. Come on, Google. Wait here for Google, you guys. Googly. How do you, Taquito, you told me the percentages earlier. How do you see the percentages of, let's see. Well, I mean, let me Google it. Let me use Google to Google the percentages. Stock percentages for stocks. What stocks are the SPY made of? Find an image. Anybody have anything that shows what the SPY is made up of? I'm Googling, but not giving me anything. Somebody give me a picture. Meta tumbling away from 400 reversal today, which was my high a day alert given my morning. Hey, AK, what's up, buddy? Yeah, I decided to go more your style. I was like, you know what? Forget this green screen. Meta tumbling away from the 400 reversal. Yes, it did. It hit that 400. Look at that, down to 395. This would have been it for me right here. We broke this purple line right here, get a retest, and then back down. Break purple, retest. So my entry on this one should have been back here at 398. Thanks, man. And I get to show off all my Knicks memorabilia. AK, lead me to something. What's a good stock to look at right now? What's one that I should just glue my eyes to? I was watching Google to see if we can get the break of this red line, but that's not happening. NVDA finally going to get Apple VWAP crack isn't too bad. Okay, I was looking at Apple and I was looking at NVDA again. Okay, so here's the VWAP that he's talking about, you guys, right here. If we crack that, and I've got a shelf right here at 185.31. So like AK on something like this, then you wait for the crack confirmation on what, a 3 minute? And then do you go for a retest or you just jump straight in? Yeah, I'm looking at, and I mean, NVDA is kind of up and down and up and down. I mean, everything's kind of choppy-ish. Yeah, see, look at the bounce off the VWAP, you guys, on Apple. While you wait for candlestick confirmation. But you do 2 minute or 3 minute? I think you're 3 minute on the large caps, if I remember right. AK is the one that really taught me. Wait for those candlestick confirmations. Yeah, 3, but still too fine. Yeah, okay. I'm waiting to see if NVDA can crack this purple, or yeah, the purple line. I mean, we did here, we got that drop, but I mean, it's touched 1, 2, 3, 4 outside of this, 5. Keep on bouncing off this line. SPY is surging all of a sudden, you guys. SPY is surging. Literally, it bounced off that white line on the SPY, that trend line that we had in here. Look at this. Hit this white line at 483. Look at, we're all the way back up to 485.17. Purple BMW. Hey, do you have a guy that you buy cars from? Like, you got a specific guy that you buy from? Because if you don't, let me know. I know, obviously, being in the car business for 20 years, I know a ton of people. So I'm assuming you have someone, though. Thanks, AK. I appreciate the support, man. Appreciate it. No, I'm in the same room. Cousin Greg, I just took away my green screen. So I was like, you know what? I'm done with this green screen. It's making me look all like it had a weird cloudy thing around me. I couldn't get it fixed. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna show you my room. All my Knicks memorabilia over here. Man, SPY. Man, look at that off that white line. Holy crap. Thanks, man. Even though I've got a guy in Texas where I want to buy it from for sure. Okay, okay. You buy it from Sewell? What are you guys going to have for lunch? What are we having for lunch? And Tesla, you guys, I put an alert here to potentially short Tesla at this yellow line. I was thinking about scaling in blue and yellow for the short. And SPY just got a huge surge. Yep, I listened to you, AK. That's why I was like, you know what, man, he's got his background. I'm just going to do my background. Later today, I'm going to get on Canva, and I'm going to try to make like a cool, I guess, templated stream thing. I'm going to play with that. To me, it's fun to me. I like being able to use my creative side with that type of stuff. So right here, you guys, is very intriguing for me for Tesla for the short back at the prior day low. This is a very intriguing spot to short it. SPY literally just hit their resistance there at 485, 20-ish VWAP, and just it's cracking right back on down. Whoa, did I get... That's not where I wanted that. All right, I just got filled when I didn't mean to. What the heck? I put that at 88. All right, so I got filled at well, I didn't. I was supposed to get filled at 88 there. Oh, I'm in long right now. Hold on. I don't want that. I got to get out of that. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. I went the wrong way on that. Yeah, I'm trying something new on that. I messed it up. Oh, it pulled up okay, it's on YouTube, AK. Damn, that purple is sharp. Is that a custom color? Or they legit have that color now? That's a really, really, really nice color. That's sweet. That's so cool. Oh, and see, that's why it bought when it did, because I actually hit buy, not sell. So we're here now at this. So if I hit sell, well, I want to sell off this previous low a day here, you guys. I want to short it here. Okay, so I pressed buy accidentally. I wanted to see if we can hit this, get rejected this previous day low, which we are. I just missed it here. Let's just be patient, see if we hit it again. And then the next one here, you can just scroll up and down through all the colors from the purple and green. Okay, right on. Guys, I'm trying to see if we can get filled short here on Tesla at this previous day low, and then I'm going to scale in here at 186.28 is going to be my other sell spot. But I like this because of this 1 hour candle. We broke the previous day low, trying to see if we can get a retest of the same level, continue on down. So that's what I'm looking for on Tesla right now. So I did get filled in a good spot here, 185.86 on my short on Tesla. And again, this follows my strategy, okay? Let's see if we can get rejected here. And if we don't, we keep on going. I'm scaling in at 186.28, okay? Okay, now I just need to figure out if you're still here. Now I just got to figure out the music on this because I don't want to get in trouble with copyright. Just play mixed stuff and you're good. Okay, so not the actual song, like some techno EDM type stuff. There we go, you guys. We're getting this rejection here off this previous day low. Oh, come on. Started to. Okay, right on. Okay. Can you do that copyright free music on what? YouTube, Spotify? Which that sucks too. Yeah. So you guys, I have my game plan on this though. Let's see, 50. So my stop loss, if this hits my second tier here, my stop loss is 186.50. 54 here. AK likes to play some Barry White, especially on Friday afternoon, getting ready for the weekends with wifey. Oh man, that's awesome. That's awesome. Hold on, can I go? I have Spotify. My daughter is obsessed with Spotify. So can I put like, so copyright free music? Okay, there we go. Tell me if this is too loud then, you guys. I didn't enter blindly. How dare you do this to me? I don't really I don't wait for the rejection. You thought that I was crazy. I don't wait for the rejection. I've got the candlestick close on the 1 hour. I want to enter right at that level. I don't wait for the rejection. Okay. How's that? Yeah, I don't normally play music. You guys know that. Is that better? Hold on. How's that? That better? All right, I'm turning this off. Clearly not working there. Because I did desktop audio. If I do this, all right, I'll test it later with the music. Yeah, I just straight up turned off because I put it on desktop audio on my OBS. So Taquito, yeah, sorry about music. I don't wait for a rejection because I have this 1 hour candle closed below my level, so that meets my criteria. Now I'm looking for a retest of I picked my level of the previous day low because that's always a strong support or resistance. My next level I had was the bottom of this wick here at 186.28. So I'm looking to see if we can get a retest there as well. I'll scale in, and then I'm putting my stop loss just above these bodies here. So I'll go like 186.55 will be my stop loss on this trade. And I'll show you later an example of some of my other trades meeting that criteria, because you could get a quick spike off that level that I'm talking about and then just get that, you get quick retest and then right back on down. So that's why I don't wait for a rejection candle on a lower time frame. Not when I'm trading a 1 hour candle. Well, I guess even on a I guess even on a 5 minute, see here, like we got the break, we got the retest here. So I entered on this retest right here. I didn't wait for it to show me a rejection, and then we got to the downside. That trade that I traded here on Tesla earlier met my requirement on this. I just didn't hold it long enough to, like we were talking about. I didn't have my reason for exiting the trade. And had I had actually found my reason for exiting the trade, that would have been a $500 trade as to oppose my $150 trade, you know? Okay, maybe you and I need to get on like a phone call or a Zoom call at some point so you can kind of talk me through and we can look at charts together. If you're willing to do that, I'd jump on a Zoom with you, Taquito, and we can kind of look at charts together, because again, from what I've looked at with my strategies that I'm looking at, I'm not waiting for a confirmation rejection candle. I got my confirmation on this candle dropping below my level or zone, you know. This previous day low is my zone. Again, it's lunch hour, so everything definitely slowed down here. Buy, this is the toughest part about trading. When you buy and when you sit back, it's very trade. But if you take, yeah, that's what I've been doing today. As you guys know who've been in here with me, I've been over trading like crazy today. And I came in today, I'm like, it's first day of the month. I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna go today. Today's gonna be a new month, and we're gonna rock and roll, you know. And then I just started over trading. I told myself, I was like, I'm gonna be fearless. Well, there's a difference between being fearless and entering the strategy, being fearless and just over trading. And that's like, I way crossed that line today of over trading. Just making sure I've got my levels good on this. 69. Yeah, I do like this level here. Okay, so I got entered. I'm now in 200 shares here. So now I'm going to hit my stop loss here, you guys. Right here. Wait a second. So I'm short, so I want to here 200 shares, 186.56 stop limit. Okay, there's my stop limit, you guys. Okay. So I'm looking for this rejection off this level and see if we can get back below the previous day low, again, based off this 1 hour candle, okay? Yeah, this is weird music. Just copyright music. There we go. There we go. Come on. I'm curious here if I should just take it at previous low though. Let's do 100 and let's buy there, which I should have gone even lower there. Because it might get this bounce off previous day low, so that's my concern. So I'm gonna go 37. Let's buy the ask. 186.37 stop limit. I'm on 100. Okay, cool. Okay. So again, I was just concerned that we were going to get this bounce off previous day low. And so that's why I covered that 100. I still got 100 shares. I'm okay because I averaged in. That really helped my price, obviously, right? My cost basis. So I'm in 100. Let's just hold this. But do you see why I didn't wait for a rejection candle? Because look at our rejection candle rejected and went to previous day low. I instantly got filled at the top of this wick. So the awesome thing is I nailed that level. And this is what I didn't do on, what trade was that the other day that I lost? I forget what it was now, but remember I picked a level and I went all in on it, but then there was a second level that I had. And so what I should have done and so this is me learning and this is me transferring what I learned over here, right? So I wanted that first one just in case it hit it and bounced off. So I scaled in here at previous day low, and then I found my other level and scaled in the other amount of shares, and then we got that rejection. I don't know. I could show a whole bunch of examples of it working, but that's why I scaled in, because I had two different levels for my entry here. Again, like I said, you and I should definitely jump on a Zoom call. We talk enough. Now here's the other thing. This thing is it getting the bounce off this 9 EMA. Yeah, but I don't normally trade the 9 EMA. You also have this uptrend taquito that you mentioned, which was solid. That was solid. What's kind of funny is this is sort of my waterfall trade too, but if we close above these bodies, I'm gonna get out. If we close above these bodies, I'm on a 3-minute too, so I am on a smaller time frame. What's the 5-minute look like? Okay, so again, this is where the 5-minute we did get held up at previous day load. Oh, awesome, PG. Right on, buddy. Did you scale in with me? Or did you just take it all at the 186.28? Again, I've got a hard stop loss in here. I've been working on that. That's based off taquito, so I really appreciate that. Yeah, I'm glad though that I took 100 off right here, right? Because if I hadn't done that, scale on, but later closer to 186. Awesome, man. That's awesome. Great job. But this is me. That was me finally sticking to my strategy and my game plan. So proud of myself on that. Finally did something right. Now let's see again if we can get a rejection off this same level. What's the high of this candle? 34. I've got my stop loss at 37. So yeah, I've got my stop loss. Do you guys like my stop loss, or should I move it up some? I had my original stop loss at 55. Should I move it or keep it here? Hey, you guys are right. This copyright music sucks, but whatever. It's music. Above the wick, 3 cents. So above this wick right here, Taquito, you're talking about 84. I'm at 87, so I'm at 3 cents. So I'm 3 cents above this wick right here, if that's what you're talking about. Perfect. Okay, we're on the same page then. That's where I said it. Okay, yeah. See, I don't normally do music. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. I'm with you. I agree. I don't really like it. I like just talking and bullshitting with you guys, so. There's a part of me, though, that actually wants to take another entry for the short back of this yellow line. And then set, like, literally do the exact same game plan that I had here. Enter another short back up here, keep my stop loss back at the 55. That was my original game plan, but I got out 100 shares. I covered 100 shares back at... So, I mean, think about that 100 that I entered. I entered at 186.29, and I got out that 100 at 185.95. So I picked up 36 cents on that. Again, it's only 100 shares, but still, you know, seeing that it worked was awesome. So look at, we're getting rejected off that same level there. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it go and let this trade work because I need to get used to just following my game plan and letting it work right now. 100 shares is a safe amount of shares on Tesla. That's not going extreme. And this candle, this 1 hour candle closes in 6 minutes, you guys. So I'd really like to see this candle, though, close below this blue line. 186.80. Ooh. You're making a call there. You think it's going to hit right back up here at these wicks? I'm going to put a line here. This I'm gonna put PJ Monkey trades call. We'll mark that in orange. Okay. Well, I didn't put the name there. So that is PJ's call. I am going to say, I know you're not trading it. I'm just putting your call in there. I am going to say 185.33 is going to be my profit target. Okay, so that's my profit target. Now let's let it work. Hands are off the mouse. They're right here. I love that from Will Ferrell. I don't know what to do with my hands. If this thing gets closer to this level, I'll cancel this stop limit, and I'll put in my cover limit here for 185.30. Booyah! Again, remember, if we can close below this previous day low, that would be solid too. You know what I might do is just cover 50 here and hold on to another 100. Let this thing keep coming. Come on. Got 3.5 minutes on this. What's your question, Taquito? Why get out of it? At what? This 185.33? I guess if that's your question, I have a shelf here at 185.33. So that's where I could take half and just let the other 50 run. But again, on this 1 hour, I want this candle to stay closed below the blue line. Oh, okay. Let me ask you guys, where would you let the other 100 shares play out? Where would you take the profits on the other 100 shares? I can't let it play out for forever, right? Where would you take it? Well, we were looking good. Like I said, I want it. I need it below this blue line, 185. That's what I was saying. I'll cover half at 185.33, right? So I'll cover half at 185.33, and then I want the other half to keep running. Is that what you're saying? Oh, that's cover 50, and then I will let this other 50 go to right here. We'll say second profit target. Well, yeah, I gotcha. The reason why is, again, me basing off this 1 hour. If we stay below this previous low, we can keep going. And then that's just me putting my second profit taking at 184.56. I want this thing to close below previous day low. I would say right now, I would be emotional and feeling like I need to take profit right now, afraid of losing my profit. That's what I would be doing right now. I would be getting out of this. If this were even this morning with the way I was trading, or yesterday, you know, or whatever last month, I would be freaking out and taking it. Yep, I'm gonna let the game plan stick out. I need to really figure out the brackets though, so I can do 50. I want this thing to actually give me dollar amounts. I'm going to work on figuring out this bracket, because if I can figure out the brackets, I can put one here and put one there, right? So here's the thing. We stayed closed below previous day low, you guys. That's awesome. So I'm going to, here's the thing though. I'm going to cancel this, and then I'm going to put 185.33. Okay, so if it hits here, I'm going to cover this 50. And then what I'll do is I'll move my stop loss for the other 50 back at previous day low, but I want to give this other 50 a chance to go. So I've got my cover price in here at 33. A for sure trade for me. Too much resistance up and down for me. With 9 or 5 closes below the 9, I'd be good. All right. Yeah, because that's your 3, right? Come on, I'm being patient. I'm just concerned if this thing's going to get held up at all these wicks and this body. That was a consideration at 49. If I move my stop loss, look at, see, these wicks are holding up. Come on, though. See, now I just got rid of my stop loss too, and we're spiking. Look at that. We got held up at these freaking wicks. Where was I before? I was 37. Yeah, I need to figure out these brackets. So 100 stop. I just do me see what that does. Ah, no. Ah, I tried bracketing. That didn't work. So it kicked me out of it. That's not what I wanted. I was trying something there. That didn't work. All right, I got out of it. So on Tesla today, I made $187. I didn't mean to do that, though. I was trying this bracket right here, and I was trying to do a limit and a stop, and I thought I was going to do $1 away. I did not mean to do that. Kind of glad I did now at this point, but I did not mean to do that. Okay, I'm going to get on the line with Thinkorswim. I'm going to try a few things. I want to figure out, I wrote here, scaling with brackets, if I can do that, and how, if I'm already in a stock, how do I set a bracket for a stop limit and a cover at the same time? So that's what I'm going to talk to Thinkorswim about. And see, because if I can do that, that'll really help with my emotional aspect of the trade and kind of stick to the game plan, right? Man, SPY is back at new high of day, you guys. Again, off that 484. That's crazy. Arch and I would love to still see 495 before I sell my house and put it all on puts. I cannot believe the SPY, how freaking high it is. That's crazy. Well, you guys, through all that trading this morning, I'm up a whopping $21. Whew. Killing it. Killing it. I did better on this trade, and I think there was one before that I did better on too. So after I settled the freak down, had to settle down there for a minute. Yeah, I'm out of Tesla. I'm out of Tesla. Wait, you're saying you would short it right now? Holy SPY. I was off on my cover here at 185.33, and this is what I was wondering. This actually went to these wicks. Come on. It went to these wicks right here. See, wick, wick, wick. That's where it hit at 49. Well, hey, at this point, PJ, you're probably going to be right, because 186.80 is VWAP, and we could get a rejection off of VWAP. Man, Disney. Holy crap. Sorry, I've been watching Disney all day, you guys. Look at that. We fell below 96, and now look at, we're at 47. Wow. Hey guys, it's lunchtime. Anybody else looking at something really fast? Tesla, man. SPY. QQQ and SPY, man. Apple. Remember we were talking about a potential Apple bounce here? But that's not the strategy. I got to remember, follow the strategy. Follow the strategy. NVDA. Holy crap. If NVDA can break this purple line, you guys, that's... The purple line is... Do you have two high days? No. Yeah, we've got two high days at this purple line. So if we can break this purple line, that's very bullish. Let's watch this purple line. I'm staying right here on NVDA. Right here on NVDA. Let's see if we can break this. PG, you're the one that made the $60 on Tesla, right? Off that? Nice. Nice, buddy. So you went long on Tesla there. The VWAP, yeah. And again, that's what PJ was talking about. And that thing broke. Look at this thing closed above that yellow line that I had. So we got the close above that yellow line, and then look at that. Wowzers. Nice. Very good. See, again, yeah, all these wicks we closed above it. Let's see, that's a 5 minute. Did it do it on the 3 minute? Yeah, 3 minute, same thing. So that closed at 6, so the 5 minute was better on that one. You guys know I like the larger time frames, but we broke this body. That's awesome. Good trade. That's what I should have done. I should have stuck right here on Tesla and waited for that break too. And this thing could come back up to 187.43. I mean, this thing's blowing through VWAP right now. This candle closes at 9, so this candle closes in 20 seconds. Get rid of some of these lines. Great call on that, PJ Monkey. So PJ, did you take a trade long then? Okay. I just took my P&L for the day, up $12. Nice! Hey, you're up 12, I'm up 21. I traded like an idiot today. Very, 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 very much traded like an idiot. Woohoo! Hey, we can go buy lunch. I should have put that on my YouTube stream. That's my bad. Man, SPY is just going. I need to talk to J Trades later. Seriously, J Trades nailed that on that uptrend, right at that white uptrend. And I mean, we've climbed $3 off of that now. Jeez. Stupid trade on Meta 5 minutes ago. Looked for the dumb, and it spiked. Oh, looked for the dump. Did you mean to say dump? That's spelled D-U-M-P, not. I have to give you crap. I'm assuming everything is climbing right now because the SPY. You're from French American. Where do you live, PG? I think I got to remember these things. I'm sorry. Where are you at? And is everyone in here a full-time day trader? You're in Florida now. Okay, I do remember that. I need to write that down. PG is in Florida. Taquito, you're in Lithuania, right? PJ Monkey. Oh gosh. We talked about Seattle, didn't we? Was it you that I was talking to about Seattle with? But you're not there anymore. Where's everyone at? So K-Fitz, you're a part-time trader. Okay. J Herd, Costa Rica. I'm writing this down. J Herd, Costa Rica. Man, I love it. People are all over. K-Fitz, so you're Vita? Out of town? Okay, K-Fitz, you're in... Man, you're in Canada. K-Fitz. What's Pure Vita? What does that mean? Winnipeg, Canada. Question mark, Taquito, what is that? And K-Fitz, what do you do for a living then if you're part-time? Simple life, pure life. That's what you say in Costa Rica. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Sorry, I did not know that. Learn something new. Dual EQ sales. I feel like a lot of people that day trade are in sales. I was in sales for 20 years. PJ, remind me where you're from, right? You and I talked about Seattle at one point, if I remember. PJ was in car sales like me. I've never been to Costa Rica. I've been to like Playa del Carmen, Los Cabos, of course, Hawaii. I was born in Hawaii, so I've been there a lot. Detroit. I'm so stupid. Duh. Detroit Lions fan. I'm an idiot. I'm sorry. I knew that. Dude, I didn't even get to... Did I talk to you about that? Man, I felt so bad for you. I was thinking about you during that game. I could not believe Dan Campbell did not kick that frickin' field goal, bro. That was... I get it. He's been that way all season, being aggressive, but you gotta be smart, too. That... Oof. Ouch. I'm watching NVDA on another screen, you guys. I'm looking to see if it can break that 624.74 level that I have. Going for it, 75% chance. Field goal with our kicker, 25% chance. Okay. All right, that's fair. I don't know. Who is your kicker? I don't know who your kicker is. Hey, wifey. Okay, that's good. Nice. So, okay, reminder, earnings today is Meta, Apple, and Amazon. Dude, who plays fantasy football in here? Oh, man. Fantasy football. I'm still so pissed about this. I traded Jonathan Taylor this year, and I forget who else. It was somebody not really good, for Patrick Mahomes. Patrick Mahomes sucked all year. Literally, like, his rating, he was the 8th best quarterback. And so I trade for Patrick Mahomes. I'm excited. And we're in a 2-quarterback league. This is a keeper league that I've been in for like 10 years. My other quarterback was Lamar Jackson. So I had Lamar Jackson and Patrick Mahomes, along with Josh Jacobs. I had a good kicker in Jake Elliott. I had Kyle Pitts, which Atlanta, I hope the Atlanta coach finally uses Bijan and Pitts. Rashee Rice, Jalen Waddle, Devon Achane, who killed it. I picked him up off the waiver wire, and Kyron Williams. You would think based off that, I would have won the frickin' league. No, I didn't even make the playoffs. Patrick Mahomes and Lamar Jackson don't make the flippin' playoffs. How does that even happen? Yeah, I'm watching NVDA right now. I'm watching NVDA. Again, over this purple line though. I'm ready to go in on NVDA for sure. We've got 2.5 minutes left though on this candle. I want this thing, oops. I want this thing to break above this purple line on a 5-minute. You guys know I don't really trade off the lower time frames, but look at the 3-minute on NVDA before that dump. That's a huge shooting star off that purple line. That's huge. Big rejection off that. So let's see if we get another rejection off this. I've got a 3-minute chart on my left-hand side that you can't see just in case. We just closed below it on the 3-minute. Again, let's wait for this 5 minutes. We can get this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go 50 shares and I'll scale in again. I really like the scaling in, give myself a better cost basis, but at least I actually have some shares. So let's see. If we get rejected here, do we short it back down? Holy crap, look at that. So far, that rejection. We have 1.5 minutes on this candle, you guys. 1.5 minutes. What are you guys thinking on NVDA? PJ, what's your chart saying? And SPY got the rejection off its resistance too. If it closes like this, man. I'm not going to short it though. I'm only going to trade my strategy, which is a break and a retest. So I need to stay true to that strategy here. We've got 40 seconds on this candle. Remember this 624, 74. If you see down here on my 1 hour, I know I've got a ton of lines. I'll mark this. I'm going to change this to orange so it sticks out. So that level has been hit. 1, 2, 3. We actually broke above it here on the 24th. Right here, we broke above it and then went to 28. So still $4 move from there. Just got rejected there. Just got rejected, that orange line, you guys. What are you guys thinking on NVDA? That's a nice rejection. I think here, kind of what Taquito said, wait for another like red candle here. But that's nice. Oh, we've got 10 minutes on the 30. The 1 hour obviously is looking good if we close above all these bodies. So I'm just studying this 1 hour because you see candle close, again, extreme touch. This is what I did on NVIDIA the other day. Extreme touch here, come on back down. Okay. No, another candle, just a sign of rejection, whatever works for you. Good enough sign, gotcha. I mean, that's a rejection candle right there, but I'll say this, on 5 minutes and 3 minutes, I always wait for a second candle confirmation. So I want a second candle confirmation off the rejection here. I mean, if we wanted, we can go small shares, like really small shares, and go like 25 just to be in it, you know, if we wanted to. I think I'm more on the long side here. If we can, again, if we can break this purple line, we break this, we go up, I think, to 628, 627. 5 of those getting rejected. It's now 2 red candles in a row and working on a third red candle on the 5-minute chart. Got about 2.5 minutes on the close of this candle, guys. Here's the 3 minute, which this candle is going to close. Got a 1.5 minutes on this candle. But you see, like here on a 3 minute, second candle close, we come back and retest this zone right here before we continue on down. And this is what I did yesterday on AMD and why I went so heavy on it, because I saw 2 upper shadows at a level and I went really strong into it. Got 2 minutes on the close of this candle, you guys. I'd like to see this thing close back below 624 for a short. 624 for a short with a hard stop loss at 625. So you'd be giving up $1, but at 624, if you can get there, you can come back down to 622 for $2. So there you got a 2-for-1 risk reward on it. But I'm still thinking on the long side right now, to be honest. I think we're gonna break this finally. That's just my feeling. A part of me just wants to take 25 shares right now, just in case. But then that would be me anticipating again. Peloton shares plummet 20% as fitness company gives dismal. Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Come on, NVIDIA. We're getting held up here. We have 2 red candles on the 3 minute. So 3 minute, 2 red candles. Bust through this. We got 10 seconds on NVDA. 10 seconds on NVDA. I think we're gonna bust through. Still haven't done it yet, so. If anybody wants to look at Google just had like another lower shadow at a strong support level. It's been 1, 2, 3 at that support level. I want to stay here watching NVIDIA, so I'm not going to change my chart. But if you look at Google, it's right at a support level. On NVIDIA, we gonna get you? Gonna get there? Anybody interested in taking this trade with me if we break above the orange line? Who's watching NVDA with me? Guru, are you still here? Are you still trading? You're gonna look at it, K-Fits? And I gotta watch this break. Now, when I watch for a break, I break it and then have a retest. So we're gonna have to be patient on an entry. I don't want to just market order in. And then I got to remember that if I miss it, I miss it. So I'm coming back down to earth on how I should be trading right now. I've been FOMOing in way too many trades today and trading like an idiot. I've gotten lucky that I am where I'm at. Oh, you're shorting it? Oh, I mean, it's not a bad idea. I mean, at this orange line, I just haven't, I mean, other than this upper shadow here, I haven't seen too much telling me rejection. I guess, I mean, the 3 minute too. I don't know. I think this thing's gonna blow through, but that's why I'm not guessing right now. Why are you shorting PG? Is there a reason? And I think if we do break it to keto, though, I think we're gonna go up. We got 625 for sure, but I think overall 626.80, 626.50. I think you've got some room to go there. That's multiple time, no luck. So you went in and got out, or oh, you're just okay, you haven't got in yet? I mean, if you were taking quick scalps here, 624.76 down, but the problem is why I won't do this here is because if we break this, we're running. This thing is gonna run if we break this. Yeah, that's the thing about NVDA. The spread is massive, 20, even 30 cents sometimes. We're right at about a minute for this candle close. I mean, so we are, I mean, this orange line is holding up. At this point, since we've hit it 1, 2, 3 times, I don't know, I'm leaning towards the short side now. But this happened on Google. Taquito and I were watching it, and it's like, okay, but at the same time, it keeps on trying. We've got 4 red candles on the 3 minute too, you guys, right here. Look at this. That's 4 red candles. This 30-minute candle is about to close as well. 23. I mean, we could get a drop down to the 9 EMA and then get that push up potentially. I don't trade off the 30 minutes, more just there for me to look at, but I don't trade based off the 30. Yep, look at we're getting that rejection off the orange line. Right there, at least. Again, four closed candles on the 3 minute, you guys. All red. So touch, 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 touch. I mean, you've got, I mean, that's clearly holding up. I'm going to stay true to my strategy, though, and wait for this break. I need to learn to stay disciplined. I've been having a tough time today. And goodness, NVIDIA so fast. And this is where, again, if you find a right level and we get a touch, you know, again with NVDA like this purple line, if you fill out a limit order right there, you get that quick touch. I mean, look at in freaking 5 minutes, you just got $4. Yeah, that orange line is holding up. Don't trade it unless it breaks. No trade unless it breaks, John. Sorry, I'm just monitoring that right now. I'm watching AMD on another chart over here. That one's in Amazon. You guys ever like think about, like, I'm like, oh man, you know, this thing might go short here. You know what? I'm wrong all the time, so let me go long. You guys ever consider doing that? Let me just go against completely what I actually think is going to happen. Oh, Google did get that break. Oh man, I missed it because I'm watching NVDA. Crap, hold on really fast. I got, this is what I was talking about, this level right here. On the 5 minute. All right, K-Fitz. Hey, thanks, man, for joining us. Appreciate it. So we broke this level on the 5 minute finally. Didn't quite get the retest, but there's that break I was waiting for. You can see this line was holding up a few times. Okay, so NVDA, that orange line did hold up. You're right, Taquito. Did you? So you shorted NVDA really fast, PG? You took $21. So wait, are you up $32 now on the day? I just need to pretend like I haven't made any trades today. I need to pretend like I haven't made any trades, and if we can find one really good one. But yeah, Taquito was right. I was forcing all freaking day. This is what I was looking at on AMD on another chart. See, we got this red candle close below this level here. We're retesting this level at 73. Come on back down. We could hit 68.21, 68.10 here. So this is what I was looking at on the 5 minute. You guys seeing anything? Or should we just take a break? Should we all just take a lunch break? And come back and see if we can find one? NVDA getting that bounce off the 9 EMA. If I were to make a prediction today, I think NVDA does get through that orange line today. Microsoft right back down to this level too. See, look at Google. Got through that. Meta. All right, let's look at NVDA for just a few more minutes. Been watching that all right now. I do want to see if this thing can break through this orange line here really fast. Come on. I still got 50 shares ready and filled out. We're going to get this push. And I don't trade the 30. I was just interested here. This had a high of 49 and a low of 51. The wick right here. Time of day is it right now? 12:30. What has NVDA done around 12:30? Coming up to that orange line again, you get there. Get rejected again. What's happening? QQQ doing? 2 minutes on the close of this candle. Come on, NVDA. Meta's cracking. Ooh. R. I'm still watching NVDA on my other chart, you guys. Tesla's cracking, NVDA's cracking. Like Amazon, Google, we already know. Apple. Wow, Meta could come all the way down to this red line. It's intriguing just to jump in really fast and pick up, you know. Oh man, look at that. Holy crap, right to that red line. Jeez. Question is, we going to get a bounce off this? Do I mean like having a limit order already filled out for the bounce on this? Did you get in on that, PG? Good job, PG. Yeah, that's tough. Nice job. You were doing some quick scalps today. Good for you, man. Happy for you. I'm still watching NVDA, guys. Guys, oh man, I am getting a starter on NVDA of 25 shares. I just took 25. I think when we got 1, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch, and we're trying so hard, I only took 25 here. I'm gonna put a stop. Wow, as I did that. I'm gonna put a stop at 63. Again, I'm only in 25. Alright, I gotta stop at 63. So I'm giving this $1 on 25 shares. I really think this thing's gonna blow through. It's tried touching this way too many times. And yet again, I just keep on market ordering in. SPY's getting another bounce and a surge here. Come on, NVDA, follow. How's QQQ? QQQ's getting a surge too. Come on. The only thing I don't like is I don't like my entry on this because I market ordered. There's a part of me that's like, okay, what's the word I'm looking for? Reset, I guess, my entry. But man, I did that the other day and it just bit me in the ass. I think I was on Google. The thing ended up running like $2 after that. I was pissed. I had like 500 shares or something. I forget how much it was to be. So I don't want to exaggerate that, but I know it was quite a few. Yeah, Deck's right. I think we're going to get a pop here too. Oh, we might get this drop down here to 623. Come on. Come on. Bounce off here. See if I can average in. I've got to stop. I got to stop. Oh, I can't even stop it until I guess I fill here. Let's see if I can get a quick drop here like it did. Surge back up. If I don't get it, I don't get it. Did Meta keep going? Of course Meta kept going. Oh my gosh, it hit the blue line. Oh boy. Man, I was thinking about jumping in on that one. See, it's so weird, like that. Like I should have just jumped in. It broke a level, but here I am jumping in on NVDA here, you know? Holy crap, Meta just $2 dump. You can get a bounce off this blue line. Previous day low on Meta. Is that a previous day low? Meta, what is this blue line? Oh, that's a previous day low from a few days ago. From Tuesday, it looks like. Ah, see? And I was looking for that other 50. Come on, break this orange. Just because we're at the orange here, I know we're probably going to break this. Watch this. We're going to break this right now. But I took it just to be safe with this orange line. Again, I went so small there. I only made $20. All right, guys, I'm going to go take a lunch. Yeah, I know. That's what I was wondering. I was like, you know what? I'm going to be safe here and just take it at the orange line just in case we come crashing down off that orange line again. But, you know, just take it quick. That was a quick little thing. Again, small shares there because I was not really following anything there, just more of a gut feeling because of what SPY and everything was doing. And it was retesting this level so many different times. Again, not following my strategy. Here we go. We're going to get this pop. What have I've been saying this for the last 30 minutes. I've been saying this for the last 30 minutes. We're going to get a pop here. Look at that. All right, yep, lunchtime, you guys. Watch, this thing's going to completely pop. Holy crap. Actually, hold on. I am going to wait because this would actually follow my strategy. If we can break here, remember I said, you guys, let's get a retest. See if we can get a retest down here at 625. But we've got 3 minutes for the close of this candle. That finally got that pop. I'm gonna wait for 15, 13 more minutes. This is what I've been waiting for the last 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. I've been waiting for this. There it goes. But I was smart, PG, you know, taking it here, this orange line, just in case, right? Or should I just, I mean, I only had 25 shares, though. So, oh man, there it goes. Part of me just wants to frickin' rush into this thing. Don't do it, John. Don't do it. Don't do it. $6.25. Brackets. 1, 2, because you need a bit more room. We'll go all right. I just put brackets in there on this. If I get filled, I get filled. If I don't, I don't. We're going to close on this here in 30 seconds. Get it? 15 seconds on the close of this. Three seconds. All right, this candle closed. I'll see if we can get a retest, or are we just gonna keep going? Dude, Meta got that bounce off that. Oh my gosh, look at that line that I had in there. Look at this line I had in here. Bounced right off it. Bounced right off of it for, oh my gosh, almost $3 off of that. Holy shamole. Wow. I get a quick drop here. Is there any other resistance holding me up over here? I'm just going to trust it here. Get a quick drop. Come on. Quick drop to 625. Hand off the mouse, just see if it works. I damn near just want to go to lunch and just let it work. I'll see if we just get that really, really, really quick drop like NVDA does and pop right back on up. Here I am watching the level 2 on this one right now. Man, the spread is 20 cents. That's why if you can limit order in on NVDA, like instantly. I mean, you get 100 shares with a 20-cent spread versus market ordering in. But also it moves so freaking fast that sometimes you do have to market order. But I would much prefer to limit order in on NVDA. SPY is rolling, QQQ is rolling, everything's moving. Don't think I'm going to get filled on this, unfortunately. I'm going to leave it there just in case. Come on. One really good trade, come on. Like, I don't even want to look at it. Damn meta on that one. Holy crap. Remember, Meta has earnings today. I keep on, like, saying that. Remember, Meta has earnings. Yeah, insane bounce on Meta. That's crazy. And I'm looking for this trade on NVDA, hoping to get a quick bounce off 625 and continuation up. I'm trying to stay really, really patient here running into this. Although I desperately want to. Part of me is just like, take 25 right here. Give it to me. Come on, keep on coming. Keep on coming, baby. 25, we got 60 cents to go. Have we got any shooting stars today off the 30? I'm leaving that there since I have it already filled out. Any shooting stars? I think so. Damn, SPY. Oh my goodness, in QQQ. Wow. Wow. Everything just got hard bounces. Meta was probably the biggest bounce. I mean, look at this 30-minute handle. I mean, that's a $3 move in the last 15 minutes. That's nuts. Not seeing anything. Check my mid caps here. Watch. Has Disney ran again? I'm gonna find out on Disney. I'm gonna kill Disney. Oh my gosh, Disney. Ugh, I keep on wanting to trade you. I'll literally just be watching Disney all day. Gosh, dang it. Thing is, we're closing above these bodies now. Dang. Don't think I'm gonna get filled on this NVDA trade, guys. All right, I'm gonna cancel. Let's go eat lunch. I haven't got filled on that yet, so I'll come back a little bit later, or should I just take the rest of the day off? I don't know. You know what? Nope. I'm gonna call it a day. It was not a very good trading day for me. So I'm gonna just take the rest of the day off. You guys be good. I'm gonna shut down my browser, my broker, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be in chat every now and again, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. I appreciate your guys' support as always, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.